I got these Stone City glossy inkjet printable magnet sheets to give a try. The first thing I see here is that they have a very nice high gloss and that they are very, very thin. So let's give these a try in my inkjet printer. So I'm in a Word document right now, and I pulled a picture in. We recently had some family photos done, so we're going to give this a try. So I'm going to go to File and Print, and I'm going to be using my Epson EcoTank inkjet printer. And so I'm going to go to Printer Properties, and I think I'm going to choose Premium let's see. Premium Photo Paper Glossy. I'll try that one. And we're going to go with high quality. And I'm going to turn, oh, I had bidirectional off from when I printed something for sublimation. And we are going to not going to mirror our image. And we do not want bidirectional printing on, and we do not want to mirror. So now I am going to hit OK and print, and I will get this printed. My printer picked up that magnet with no problems. So as soon as it gets a little further, I will show you it coming through. It's coming through very nicely. I'm excited to see how well this prints. This printed as well as a really good photo paper would pick up the ink. So it's got a little bit of a reflection because it's such a high gloss. But let's get it cut out and see how it looks. This magnet trimmed very clean with just a paper cutter. I highly recommend this photo magnets. These are amazing, easy to print, easy to cut, and great results. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.